girls.
World sucks. You got better than you want. But wish you wouldn't be with me. I'm nothing special.
You already know. Package. Let's just open it with my noodle muscles. That was very tasty tape. I think I heard my cat. I'm not very sure. Oh, I know what this is. These gals have this little shop on Instagram that I found, and they made my friend a top, and they make custom tops. And oh my god, this is their little card, and this is their Instagram and their names. They're so cute. I asked if they ever would make me a top, and they said yes. And isn't this so beautiful? Oh my god. Oh, it smells really good too. Wow. You guys wear really good perfume, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera just so you guys can see. But they make all their shirts. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Isn't this so beautiful? Like, I don't know if we're getting the full effect because it's like, it's lying down, but this is so gorgeous. And it's just their little card and their logo. Oh my god, they're so cute. Thank you so much. I love it. Oh my god, yes. I can't wait to wear this. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Like, guys, please go check out their Instagram. Go check out their little store. Like, there's like, I can't even, I'm just mind blown about how good they are. Like, their custom shirts. Like, this is so beautiful. I don't even know how they made this. Like, this is so good. They're really talented, and honestly, they definitely need to be known. This is like so gorgeous. Thank you girls so much. I love it. I just love all your tops, your store, your beautiful faces, your beautiful brand. Oh my god, I just love it. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. And I have the perfect outfit to do so. But thank you girls so much. Love it. You're so talented. Keep it up.